Hello and welcome to this quick win. Today we're going to be talking about using timers to help regulate students as they're working through a task. So as you can see here, I've got a Google Doc here and I've got a set of questions. Now what I want to do is make sure the students are not spending too much time on these lower mark questions so that they are encouraged to work their way through the exam paper or the task and tackle the higher grade questions. So to do that, what we need to do is click where we want the timer to appear. So I want it up here on the top left hand corner of each question. Then if you click on Insert, in here you'll find Smart Chips. Now each Smart Chip functions differently and I'll do a different video covering each of them. But today we're going to look at a timer. So I click on Timer, and the first thing I've got to tell the system is how much time I want them to spend on this. It's a 3-mark question, so we'll say 3 minutes. And we click the little play button and you can see it started to count down, and then I hit reset. That is now ready for the student to begin. So when they load up the task, they have their timer in the corner and they can click that and start it. I can then come further down, click on the next question, and repeat the process. Now you'll notice each time I put the timer in, I'm hitting the play button. That is basically because I've discovered that if you click off without doing that, sometimes the timer gets automatically reset to 5 minutes. I think it's a bug that I'm hoping Google will eventually fix, but it takes a second to click the play button just to sort of save what you've done. So there we go. We now have a task or an activity with individual timers set for each of the questions. So the students now need to be told that when they do the activity, they just need to click on the activity, click play, and tackle each of the questions. Well, I hope that's useful, and until the next one.